Welcome, everyone, to this enlightening video where we will delve into the art of ignoring your current 3D reality and mastering the efficient manifestation of your desires. By the end of this video, you will possess the knowledge and techniques to easily ignore your current reality and manifest anything you desire. But before we proceed, I want to emphasize the significance of staying till the end. In the following segments, I will share a remarkable real-life story about Neville Goddard, a renowned manifestation expert, and the valuable lessons we can learn from his experiences. So be sure not to miss out on this captivating story that will guide you towards the fastest way to manifest your desires. Let's dive right in. In the teachings of Neville Goddard, ignoring the 3D reality plays a crucial role in the manifestation process. Neville advises us to turn our backs on the world of our senses, the external circumstances, when setting our intentions and utilizing manifestation techniques such as affirmations or SATs, state akin to sleep. Essentially, he encourages us to disregard the external conditions and believe that they hold no power over our manifestations. According to Neville, everything we perceive in our 3D reality is a reflection of our consciousness and the contents of our subconscious mind. It's important to understand that your current reality is merely transient, a shadow created by your consciousness. Your past thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and imaginings have contributed to the creation of your present circumstances. Therefore, by assuming the desired state and embodying it within yourself, you have the power to recreate your reality. Your world consists of two layers: the 3D layer, which represents your reflection in the mirror, and the metaphysical layer, which is composed of energy and holds the true essence of reality. The states of being you embody within yourself project onto the 3D layer, creating your external circumstances. Hence, it is crucial to shift your perception from seeing the 3D reality as real to recognizing the world behind your eyes as the true reality. Now, I understand that completely ignoring the 3D reality may seem impossible. However, what Neville truly meant was to stop reacting to your current reality as if it has independent power or authority over you. Let's take an example to illustrate this concept. Suppose you are struggling with severe acne and wish to manifest clear skin. Instead of assigning meaning to your current condition, you need to shift your focus and stop reacting to what you see in the mirror. Start by avoiding unnecessary trips to the mirror. When you do look at yourself, remain indifferent to any imperfections you wish to change. Tell yourself that change is possible, and stop feeling hopeless or like a victim of your reality. Throughout the day, visualize yourself examining your flawless face in the mirror and feel satisfied with its appearance. This process of not reacting to your current circumstances can be challenging, especially when you're not feeling good about your reality. However, it is a necessary shift in perception that will empower your manifestation journey. Remember, what happens within your mind is what is real because it projects outward onto your 3D world. It is essential to let go of anxiety, fear, and intimidation associated with your current circumstances. Detach yourself from the idea that your 3D reality holds power over you. Instead, embrace the understanding that you have authority over your reality. Reclaim that authority and cease reacting to external conditions. Undoubtedly, mastering the skill of ignoring your reality and embodying the state of the wish fulfilled requires practice. At first, you may not achieve perfection, but persistence is key. Keep your focus on what you desire in your imagination. Utilize techniques such as affirmations and sayings to strengthen your manifestation process. Additionally, meditation, especially mindfulness and guided meditations, can assist in calming. By turning our attention away from the external circumstances and sensory information of our current reality, we can tap into the metaphysical layer, the realm of our consciousness and imagination, which holds the power to shape our experiences. Remember, everything in your 3D reality is a reflection of your consciousness and the contents of your subconscious mind. We explored the idea that your current 3D reality is transient and malleable. It doesn't hold any inherent meaning or power over you. Instead, you have the authority to shape and create your reality through the states of being you embody and the imaginal acts you engage in. Your imagination is the true reality, and your 3D world is merely a reflection of it. Ignoring the 3D reality doesn't mean denying its existence, but rather shifting our perception and response to it. Instead of reacting to the external circumstances and accepting them as unchangeable, we choose to focus on our desired reality and embody the state of the wish fulfilled. This shift in perception and mindset allows us to take back the authority over our reality. We discuss the example of manifesting clear skin, where instead of assigning meaning to the presence of acne or feeling hopeless, we start affirming and imagining our flawless skin. We detach ourselves from the negative aspects of our current reality and focus on the positive vision we want to manifest. While ignoring the 3D reality can be challenging, it's a skill that can be developed with practice. It requires a shift in perception and a willingness to let go of anxiety, fear, and the need for immediate results. Techniques such as affirmations, SATs, state akin to sleep, and meditation can aid in this process by helping us align our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with our desired reality. We shared a real-life story from Neville Goddard's life, where he manifested a trip to Barbados despite having no money or job. Through his experience, we learned the importance of not discussing the lack of manifestation or dwelling on its absence. Instead, we need to redirect our focus to living in the wish fulfilled, trusting the process, and allowing the bridge of incidents to unfold naturally. In conclusion, ignoring the 3D reality is a powerful manifestation technique that enables us to shift our perception and take control of our experiences. By focusing on our imagination, embodying the state of the wish fulfilled, and detaching ourselves from the limitations of our current reality, we can manifest our desires efficiently. Remember, you have the authority over your reality. Embrace the truth that your consciousness creates your world, and let go of the belief that your 3D reality has power over you. Practice the art of ignoring the 3D, persist in your manifestations, and trust in the process. Thank you for watching this video. If you found the content valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. We appreciate your support. Wishing you a manifestation-filled journey ahead. See you in the next video.